Hi, this is like the 60th time I've recorded this intro. So if this doesn't work and you're seeing a shitty intro, I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to tell you. Anyway, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a sleeve. I sew a lot of stuff and I've never sewn a sleeve before because it's just seemed like a lot of effort and I've avoided it. I've only sewn sleeveless tops. Not today. Today, this video is going to be about my experience sewing a sleeve for the first time. I'll show you the full shirt, but this is strictly a sleeve video. Sleeves. So if you've never sewn a sleeve before and you're afraid to do so, come along on this journey with me. It's not that hard. I only mess up like twice. It's fine. If you're scared, it's really not that difficult. Don't let anyone tell you that it is. They're a bunch of liars. Yeah, all right, let's get started. Alright, so first you're going to need a pattern. I didn't have a pattern and I didn't want to go to the store, so I just took a shirt that I never wear and I seam ripped it apart. That middle panel is the sleeve and then the rest of it is the rest of the remains of the shirt. Just a note, if you're going to use this method for sewing your sleeve, make sure that the shirt that you tear apart is close in material to the fabric that you are wanting to sew, just because you're going to get just a better outcome. The reason why I say that is because I did not do that and I just used this sleeve and it's a little bit more stretchy than the material that I had, so my first sleeve that I made was a little bit too small, but I just added some more seam allowance around the initial pattern and it worked out fine. Generally, a basic sleeve is this shape. After you've cut your sleeve and you've put it around your arm to make sure that it fits a little bit, sew it up the side and then give it another test run, because you can always take the sleeve in, so always start on the farthest out. Here I am, very proud of my accomplishments, 2 sleeves down, and now I just have to attach it to the bodice. Now comes the hardest part of making the sleeve. It's pinning it to the actual shirt. I promise it's not that hard. It seems more intimidating. It's difficult, but it's not impossible. It's fine. Everything will be fine. You just need to pin your sleeve inside out to your bodice that is right side out. Now that you have your 2 pieces pinned together, you just want to sew them together, making sure that the ends line up as best as they can, and making sure that the seam on the bottom of your sleeve lines up with the seam on the side of your bodice. Now that we have some time, because this video is a little bit long, I've been listening to myself do a voiceover on this video, and if this is how I learn that I have a slight lisp, I'm going to be agitated that no one told me in my whole life, because there are a lot of S words. We got shirt, sleeve, a lot of S words in this video, and I keep listening to it back, and I feel like I got a problem. Here's the final shirt. I think it looks pretty good for the first shirt with sleeves I've ever made. I hope this video encouraged you to make some sleeves, and please subscribe to my channel so I can finally have 1,000 subscribers and make some money. Okay, bye!